When will I be able to bring back my happy smile? When can I show off my clean and bright teeth again? Back then, people were delighted by my well-maintained and clean teeth. But now, my smiles are mostly avoided and ridiculous. Now, they barely want to be with me. What if I could bring everything back in a stand? Or maybe there's something that could restore everything. Oh, what's this? Happy Colgate? Can this help me? What if I try it? There's nothing to lose, right?
Hideout sa itim ng balat yari pag nag-brown out. Lumipas ang ilang taon, humanda kang umanga pag nakita mo ako ngayon. Malapinos ang ganda.
Face for a brighter smile and healthier you. Join us a journey towards brighter smiles and healthier lives with Colgate toothpaste.